I just got my new Mavic Air a couple of days ago, and this is my first flight. I immediately put it in sport mode to see how fast it goes, and man was it flying. So it says it can go up to 42 miles an hour, and it certainly looked like it. So it didn't take very long before it said it reached its maximum distance, and then it said it lost the signal. So in just a couple seconds, and right about there, that's Dean Road in Orlando, Florida, and I was getting notification that it lost connection. So I hit the return to home probably about 4 times, and it just sat there and paused. Okay, so from right there, I hit return to home. And you see it paused. It went up like it was coming back, but it didn't. It just paused there. So again, like I said, I hit return to home like 4 times. At this point, I'm like freaking out. And what's funny is I was thinking I flew it in the other direction. At this point, I also can't see it on my phone screen that's connected to the remote. So I didn't realize I sent it in that direction. I was thinking I sent it the other direction towards the YMCA. Alright, so now it's about to return to home. Turn some. It's raising up. And now it's coming back. Now what's funny is it pauses. It comes back and then it just stops. Right about here. Just stops. And then it takes another like 10-20 seconds. And I had to hit return to home again. And it's still return to home. Come on. Come on. I'm freaking out. My first flight. And I'm like, crap. I lost it. Alright, now it's trying to do something. And now it's going to start returning to home. It was funny because I had no idea where it was at. Like I said, I thought I flew it off to the right. I didn't realize I flew it off to the left. Oh, there it paused again. And now it's finally going to return to home. At this point, now it's connected. Although I couldn't really see much on my screen. It's funny because the drone records the video on your phone also, but it was so choppy when I watched it. And you think 42 mile an hour looked fast on this drone video. It looked even faster because it skipped on my phone video. And now it's about to stop. So it's returned. And it's just sitting there a few hundred feet in the air. So I'm sitting underneath a tree a little bit. So it comes down, and I know it has obstacle avoidance, but I wasn't sure if it was going to actually avoid the limb of the tree. So as it comes down and it gets within probably 5-6 feet of the tree, I move it forward like towards the road a little bit and then brought it the rest of the way down. Hope you enjoyed the video.